guys, Find Your Passion with Head Girl here. When I started this series, How to Survive on a Fixed Income, I started by introducing myself and mowing my grass as a way to get comfortable on camera and also practice my skill of a videographer. Since I'm doing all of this, all these hats, I'm wearing all these hats at the same time. So anyway, I thought it would be nice to do a time lapse of me cutting my yard this weekend. But honestly, when you live on a fixed income, you have to look at a lot of different things. You want to reduce the amount of money you spend annually, but also on incidentals. And certain items, certain things require that you have to spend money. Now, recently, when I was mowing the grass this weekend, my starter cord broke. The starter rope on the lawnmower broke. So I tried to get one of the companies here to give me a price on how much it would cost to replace that power rope, the starter rope. Anyway, when I first called them, they were hesitant in giving me a price. And then when I asked him, I said, well, all you have to do is replace the rope. How much did that repair normally cost? And he gave me a price of between $25 and $50. So I said, okay, I'll try to bring it in after work. So I brought it in after work, and talking to the clerk that was at the desk, the sales clerk at the desk, he got all my contact information. And then he asked me for a $35 deposit. Now at this point, instead of just bringing the lawnmower, dropping it off, giving my name, my address, and my phone number and letting me go, he asked me for a $35 deposit, but they haven't even told me how much the repair was going to cost. This is a very simple repair. And at that point, it didn't feel right. The experience didn't feel right. I was going through too many hoops in order to get this lawnmower repaired. And I was overpaying for some labor and parts that are astronomical. I was quoted a price of, I think it was $18 for 8-foot length of rope for my lawnmower. So anyway, to cut a long story short, I went to Home Depot and I purchased I had them cut an 8-foot piece of starter rope. It cost me $1.24. It took me less than 20 minutes to take off the starter and replace the rope. Less than 20 minutes. I was quoted an hour as the labor cost on that replacement. Anyway, it cost me $1.24 for the rope. They're gonna charge me $18 for the rope. I mean, who does that? I mean, I can understand you buy the rope because you can get probably a whole roll, probably over 1,000 feet for less than $10. So why would you charge? That's a crazy price. I don't even know what that would come out per foot, but it's crazy. Anyway, suffice it to say, I'm a Google guide, local guide here in my city. So I wrote a review. On it, and evidently this guy understands the value of Google Maps and the importance of good reviews when it comes to Google ranking and other SEO tactics, or either he's hiring somebody to do his SEO. But that was a response to my review of his shop, his business practices. Because I plainly said it's really unethical for you to charge $25 for something that should be no more than a $10 charge. I mean, the $10 charge, it's going to take you, it'll take you less than $2 to get the material, less than 20 minutes to replace it. There is no way that should be a $25 charge. But That's his business. He can run it like he wants to. All I'm saying is this: is that you have to be very careful when you're on a fixed budget, and you have a problem like mine that you have to have your lawnmower, because here our to pay somebody to do the lawn would be around $25 if you found somebody, 25 or $35 if you found somebody. If the complex, the management mowed it, it's around $50. So to have your own lawnmower and mow your own lawns, that's a big savings every month, you know, and it has to be done every 14 days, you know, to be uniform. Anyway, um, you have to be very careful and discern what is realistic. And I know a lot of people, probably in my situation, would not. I was so pissed off by the whole experience that, and I could replace the starter cord from the very beginning. It's not a hard fix. It's not a intricate fix. It's like maybe 6 screws, and you're into it, and you replace it. So I mean, it's just that I didn't want to do it. But what about those people that can't do what I've done and have to rely on that type of businessman? It's sad. It's very sad that because you're in business, you can take advantage of people in that way. It's unfair. Anyway, as far as on another subject, as far as the field agent app, I've only made like $19 this month so far. The month is almost over. The 13th will be another 30 days with this app, and it's not looking very promising. The jobs that are now available are jobs that I won't touch with a 10-foot pole. They'll just sit there. And so whatever comes my way that I can get it, I'll use it. I've looked at other apps, and I have a gig walk review coming up next. This lawnmower, I need a starter rope for my lawnmower episode was just to let you know that savings and budgets and a lot of things can be wrecked by unscrupulous dealings, and that is a part of life. I mean, not every businessman is going to be a fair businessman. It's not going to charge a equitable price for the value that he offers. So you have to be aware of that. And anyway, like I said, I'm a local guy, and I wrote him a good review because it don't make no sense. You know, you should have at the very least charged me $25 and let me go on about my business, because this was $35 for $1.24 repair? No. Anyway, till next time, find your passion with Head Girl.